Hi guys, and welcome to today's class with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenny. Today is February 3rd, 2021, and the topic of today is going to be Valentine's Day. Because we are in the month of love and friendship, we're going to learn some new words about Valentine's Day. Let's start. For example, we have the vocabulary. Here are some of them. We have balloons, candy, chocolate, couple, cupid, date, February, flowers, 14th, friend, gift of present, heart, hug, kiss, love, etc. etc. These are common things that we mention, or we use, or we do when it's Valentine's in the 14th of February 14th, sorry. So we're going to learn 13, or we're going to practice 13 of them. We have heart, the heart, heart. Can you repeat it? Heart. Very good. Cupid. Cupid is the one who throws the arrows so we can fall in love. Cupid. Can you repeat it? Cupid. Very good. Next one, chocolate. Chocolate. Repeat it, please. Chocolate. These are the ones that we give away or give as a present to somebody, maybe a friend, or maybe your mom, father, your grandmother. Romantic. Romantic. This is an attitude or a part of the personality of a person that is romantic, who loves love, who loves to be romantic. Romantic. Can you repeat it? Romantic. Present. This is an easy one. You already know this. Present is the thing that we give away. Present. Repeat it, please. Present. We have also date. Date is when two people see each other in a restaurant, in a coffee, to know each other better, or just to spend time with that person. Date. Repeat it, please. Date. Hug. Hug. Hug yourself. Hug. Because with COVID we cannot hug. Hug. Or hug your parents. That's something that we can do. Hug. Repeat it. Hug. Very good. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss is the thing that we give to our mother because we love her. Kiss. Yes. Valentine cards. Valentine cards. Repeat it. Valentine cards is the thing that we do with paper and we write a very beautiful message. Valentine card. Friends. Friends. It's easy. You are friends. Love. 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 Candy. Candy. Repeat it. Candy. Very good. Balloon. Balloon. Repeat it with me, please. Balloon. Very good. Okay, now, I don't know if you remember the one time with the characteristics or adjectives. We're going to do the same. We're going to make a lottery card, but now we're going to use six of the words that are in here: heart, cupid, chocolate, romantic, present, date, hug, kiss, Valentine card, friends, love, candy, balloons. Any word of those, you can use it. Choose six and put it in something like this. Yes? Remember to make a draw. You can paint it or not, it's your choice, but do it because we're going to play it for the next class. Okay, very good. So that will be all for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day, and that's all. Thank you.